Got a nice little pork loin right here. We're about to get this bad boy right. Yes, indeed. You gotta get it right. Flemgym 101 cooking, baby. I am Chef Flemgym Flemgym. We'll be right back after this commercial. So I turned them things into some nice little chops, as y'all can see. Now we about to season them up. Yeah, Flemgym 101, man. I don't have no meat cutter, man. I use what I got. And what I got is what I use. You know what I mean? Flemgym 101, baby. I am Chef Flemgym Flemgym. We'll be right back after these commercials. Cut Flemgym 101 pork loin chops. Turn that pork loin to some pork chops. I got the sausage on the side. Got our sweet potato fries getting ready. Flemgym 101 hand cut, hand craft pork loin chops. We'll be right back after this commercial. Loins on there real quick. Flemgym 101 cooking. Y'all see the loins on there. Ooh, get a good look at them. Flemgym 101 pork lamb cut steaks. Actually cut pork chops, but I made them look like steaks. Man, them things look good, man. Flemgym 101 cooking, man. I am Chef Flemgym Flemgym. We'll be right back after these commercials. Yeah, we done with the sausage. We just waiting on them bad boys. We've been done with the sausage. Handcraft sweet potato fries. Let's get it. Flemgym 101, baby. I am Chef Flemgym. We're done.